Hello everyone and welcome back to Year 10 Mathematics. My name is Victor and I believe that we are going to be learning about advanced linear equations, and I do also believe that by now you know how to solve basic equations by doing the same thing to both sides, like multiplying by 5 to both sides, dividing by 5 by both sides. Today we're going to look at equations that are very messy. So variables on both sides, brackets at worst of all, fractions. So as you can see right here on your screen, I have the problem. This is gonna be a classic year 10 problem. 2x minus 3 all over 5 equals x plus 1 all over 3. Now, our first habit is that we need to destroy the fractions first. So how do we destroy the fractions? The thing is, we do not try to move the minus 3 or plus 1 because they are trapped in the numerator. They're above, okay? So we need to clear the denominators first before we can get rid of those. So we need to find the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. Now, do this on your own notes. I've figured already it's going to be 15. Okay, because what number do both 5 and 3 go into? 15. If we multiply the entire side by 15, the entire right side, entire left side and right side by 15, the fractions will vanish. So let's just do that right now. So I'll do it. So I'll have 15 multiplied by 2x plus minus 3 over 5. This is going to be equal to 15 multiplied by x plus 1 over 3. And so I need, on the left, I will have 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I have 3, 2x minus 3. On the right, I will have 15 divided by 3. So that will be 5. So I'll have 5x plus 1. Much simpler right here. So if you look at that, it's only one step and the fractions are now gone. Now we need to expand these brackets. So I'm going to expand them here. 3 times 2x here, 3 times 2x is going to be 6x. 3 times negative 3 is going to be negative 9. 5x here is going to be 5x. 5 times positive 1 is going to be plus 5. Okay, so we have the expanded problem right here. So we have x on both sides. We need them on one side. So if it's possible, keep the x positive if you can. So look at this, we have 6 on the left and 5 on the right. If we subtract 5x from both sides, we'll end up with positive 1x on the left. That is going to be much easier than dealing with negatives, so let's do that right now. We'll minus 5x from both sides, so 5x here, 5x here. This will give us x minus 9, and 5x will cancel each other out. Now I have 5. Okay, that looks much simpler now. X is on one side, and I have only numbers left, so I just need to isolate this x. I just need to add 9 to both sides because I'm minusing 9 on the left side here. So x plus minus 9 plus 9, 5 plus 9. This will give us 14. Minus 9 plus 9 will cancel each other out, and I will have my final answer of x equals 14. Now think just a little bit. Why does this rule work? Why does multiplying both sides by 15 keep the equation true? Because if you think about it, an equation is a physical balance scale. So it's like a seesaw. It's kind of like a seesaw or something like that. If the left side weighs the same as the right side and you make both sides 15 times heavier, they will still balance each other out. So we have, like, just say for example, a very classic trick problem. We have 1 kilogram of steel and 1 kilogram of feathers. If we multiply that by 15, then both sides, we will still have 15 kilograms of steel and 15 kilograms of feathers. They are still the same weight, even with the different materials. So we are going to exploit that physical truth more so to destroy the fractions, because fractions are very annoying. And yeah, we can everything is just basic equation, problem solving, and try to keep the x positive if you can. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.